Welcome to another of my videos where I work through and explain A-level physics multi-choice questions. If you want to try to answer this question yourself, pause the video now. If you got the answer B, well done. If you'd like to hear my explanation of how I found the answer, please continue watching. A really straightforward question here. Which is the shortest distance? And we're given various value prefixes, giga, kilo, micro and femto, and we need to find out which is the smallest of these values. So the first one is 10 to the minus 19. Now giga means 10 to the 9. And where we have two values with indices, we just need to, and they're multiplied together, we just need to add the indices together. So that will give us 10 to the minus 10 meters. The next one, 10 to the minus 14 kilometers. Well, kilo is 10 to the 3, so I get 10 to the minus 11 meters. The next one is 10 to the minus 4 micrometers, and micro is 10 to the minus 6. So again, adding those indices together gives me 10 to the minus 10 meters. And finally, 10 to the 7 femtometers. Femto is 10 to the minus 15. Add those two together and I'm going to get 10 to the minus 8 meters. So which is the smallest value? 10 to the minus 11 meters. Answer B. If you found the video useful, please press the like button. If you have any comments to make, any improvements I can make to the videos, any questions you'd like me to work through, please add those to the comments. And I hope you'll share this video and watch more of them in the series.